Hope you all are doing good. Today we are here with the question what computer programming is, how we can start with computer programming. I as well as you all have several times heard from your non-IT friends that what do you do. Several times you have been asked from your family members also about your profession. And if there are some technical friends of yours, then they usually ask that how they can start with computer programming. So today we are here to understand or to give them answer of these all questions. Basically, when you answer them that you do software development or you write computer programs, they definitely ask that what is computer program. Some of your friends also who want to start with computer programming, they used to ask that which one programming language they should choose. What we can do, we can provide them our computer programming book that we use. We can answer them that yeah, you can start with C, C++, C Sharp, .NET, etc. And but really, is this something they are looking for, or they will get satisfied by getting this answer? They could be, they could not be. So here I want to share my experience. When in the initial days I was struggling with the same, and I also want to start with computer programming, and I was not able to choose which programming language should I opt. So what I have done at that time, I have asked some questions to myself. Today I want to share those questions with you. The first one question what I have asked to me, why I want to learn a programming language. Is this something just because I am from a software background, or really I want to do something useful? The second one question that I have asked to myself is what I want to do after learning this programming language, and what is my area of interest. Do I want to develop a compiler, interpreter, processor, or some software that will work with user interaction and with rich GUI? This answer will help you to choose a language to learn. Why I have said that what I want to do after learning the programming language, that I want to develop a compiler, interpreter, or processor. I want to develop an application with rich GUI, because there are mainly two types of programming language. The first one is low level language and the second one is high level language. Here high and low are two main keywords that define the gaps or abstraction layer between your program and the computer machine. If it is a low level language like C, machine language, assembly language, which is used to develop the processor, compiler, microprocessor, assembler, or interpreter, is nearest to computer machine and having less layers between machine and the program. But if it is a high level language, then it must have a rich GUI which interacts with human being rather than the computer machine. C++, C Sharp, .NET, Java are the example of high level language. Computer programming is something like making tea or cooking food. If you want to understand, if you want to learn the computer programming, you must compare it with your daily life. You must compare it with your daily activities. So today I want to compare the computer programming with making tea, as I said. So what you do once you decide to make tea? There are some steps that we need to perform while making tea. So the first one step is you switch on the gas, then you put the pan on the gas, then we wait for boiling the water. Once the water started boiling, we put tea leaf in the boiling water, then you mix sugar in that, then you mix milk in that, then again we wait for some time and put the pan off from the gas. Now our tea is ready. So there are what we have seen here. There are some set of instructions for making tea. Similar computer program are set of instructions that is easily implementable or understandable by the computer or any of the application that you use, like MS Office, paint, chat application on your mobile phone, or the calling application on your mobile phone. What we have seen there, these are easily interactable with human being. We can understand what we need to do. So, and these all are having some set of instructions that we need to perform to use these applications. So what I have said, the computer programming is set of instructions, and these all are the computer programs. So the things that we have discussed yet is not all about the computer programming. This is just a basic idea about the programming language and help you to choose any one of the programming language that I have told you, like C, C++, Java, .NET, anything. So to start with programming language, we want to understand some basic idea about the programming paradigm or the software paradigm. So in my next tutorial, I will discuss these software programming paradigm and the programming paradigm. Any queries, comment are most appreciable. If you have any doubt that we have discussed, please put it as your comment. I will love to answer them. And please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell sign to get the notification of latest video. If you want to visit our blog, our website address is tutoriallive.com, or if you want to write us, my email ID is tutoriallive@gmail.com. Thank you.